Good day, viewers. You are welcome. So here we have a nice system of equations. We have a plus b equals 10 and ab equals 100. So we want to find a and b. Let's say we have a equals to 5 and b equals to 5. So we get this one as 10, but 5 multiplied by 5 is not equals to 100. So we need to verify for which the answer satisfies this two system of equation. So from here, this is equation 1 and here is equation 2. So when we recall from equation 1 as a plus b equals 10, then we make b the subject of the formula as b equals 10 minus a. We consider this as equation 3. By substituting equation 3 into equation 2, that is, anywhere we see b, we replace it with 10 minus a, as we have a into bracket of 10 minus a equals 100. Then we multiply this one out as 10a minus a squared equals 100. So here is a quadratic equation. So by proper rearrangement, we have minus a squared plus 10a, then we take this one here as minus 100 equals 0. Then we multiply through by minus. So minus times this, we have a squared minus 10a plus 100 equals 0. So we have to solve this one you can apply two different methods. So but the effective one I'm going to use is completing the squared method. So suppose we add 5 squared and subtract it from here, as we have a squared minus 10a plus 5 squared minus 5 squared plus 100 equals 0. So when this cancelled, we will still have the original equations. Then let's try to combine this together as a minus 5 raised to power of 2. So when we try to expand this, we get this minus 5 square is 25 plus 100 equals 0. So we have a minus 5 raised to power of 2 plus, so the addition of this is 75 equals 0. Then we take 75 to the other side, as we have a minus 5 raised to power of 2 equals minus 75. Then the next step is we have to take the square root of both sides to get rid of this squared, as we have this equals plus or minus square root of minus 75. So this cancelled as a minus 5 equals plus or minus. So we consider this as square root of minus 1 multiplied by 75. Good. So here we have a equals, when we take 5 to the other side, we have this as plus 5 and plus or minus square root of minus 1 multiplied by square root of 75 according to the rule of sort. Then we have a equals 5 plus or minus, so the square root of minus 1 is given as I. Then we can break this one into the product of 25 multiplied by 3, as we have a equals 5 plus or minus I. Then we separate this as square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 3. Then we have a equals 5 plus or minus I. Then this square root of 5 is given as square root of 25 is given as 5 multiplied by root 3. So we have to rewrite this thing properly as a equals 5 plus or minus 5i root 3. And here is the solution to this for the value of a. Then when we recall from where we let b equals 10 minus a to get the value of b as well, we have b equals 10 minus a. And when we substitute the value of a from here, as we have b equals 10 minus open bracket 5 plus or minus 5i root 3. Then we have b equals 10. When we expand this with this negative, we get minus, here is plus. So plus times plus and the minus, when it multiplies each other, we get minus there. Here is 5. So minus times plus is minus, and minus times minus is plus. and we write this as 5i root 3. Then when we subtract this, we have b equals 10 minus 5, that gives us 5, and here is plus or minus 5i root 3. And here is the other solutions that satisfy this problem, but let's try to check if these solutions really satisfy the problem. So these are what we have as when we have a1 equals 5 plus 5i root 3. We are going to have b, which is 5 minus 5i root 3, and similarly with all of these. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. When we try to verify using the first one, as we have 5 plus 5i root 3 plus, so b becomes 5 minus 5i root 3. So we want to check if this equals 10. Then from here we have plus 5i root 3 and minus 5i root 3. So when these two cancelled each other, so we have only 5 plus 5. And we have 5 plus 5, so this is equals 10. So that is 10 equals to 10. It shows that this really satisfies the problem. As we can also check for the second one using the product, and let's see the answer in the comment box. Thanks for always engaging in our video, and thanks for watching it to this stage. If you are just coming to our channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.